Today we are going to solve this equation to find the x value. The equation is x to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 2 equal to 20. Now x to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 2 minus 20 equal to 0. Now x to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 2, this minus 20 can write as 16 plus 4 equal to 0. X to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 2 minus 16 minus 4 equal to 0. Now x to the power of 4, x square minus 16 can written as 4 square minus 4 equal to 0. This minus 4 we are bringing this side. Power of 4 minus 4 square plus x square minus 4 equal to 0. To the power of 4 can written as x square whole square minus 4 square plus x square minus 4 equal to 0. This is looks like a square minus b square equal to a minus b, a plus b. We are going to apply here x square minus 4 x square plus 4. This we are just writing x square minus 4 equal to 0. X square minus 4 and x square minus 4 we are taking common. X square minus 4, this is we are just writing it x square plus 4, this just writing plus 1 equal to 0. X square minus 4 x square, this is plus 5 equal to 0. Now we have two equations that x square minus 4 equal to 0 is 1, x square plus 5 equal to 0. X square 4 x equal to square root of plus or minus square root of 4, x equal to plus or minus 2, x1 equal to plus 2, x2 equal to minus 2. This side x square equal to minus 5, x equal to square root of minus 5. Minus 1 into 5. So I square root of 5 we can write as. This is also plus or minus. So x equal to plus I square root of 5, x4 equal to minus I square root of 5, x1 equal to 2, x2 equal to minus 2, x3 equal to I square root of 5, x4 equal to minus I square root of 5. These are the answers.